Welcome to City Grill. My name's Rob Vore. In this episode, I'm going to do a seared shrimp, if I could say it right. And you know, it's a little cold outside. It's wintertime here in the South, and I just didn't feel like going out on the grill. So I'm going to do this inside with an iron skillet. You could do it out on the grill just the same. But let's do it inside. I have some beautiful North Carolina shrimp here. I've peeled, deveined it. I've got it ready. And what I'm going to do is I have this plastic bag here. I have about a quarter cup of flour. I'm going to stick in there. And I have some seasonings that I've made here. Some kind of oregano, some thyme, some seasoned salt. That tastes really good. It's a nice combination. And I'm just going to mix that up in the bag a little bit. Get it all mixed up here really well. And then go ahead and put the shrimp in here, just like so. And get this all ready for us. I'm going to put it in the bag and mix it up. So I have a little bit of air in there to help it out. And basically I'm putting some flour to help it get a little crispy crust to it as I cook this in the iron skillet. So as I get my shrimp all coated here, I'm going to get the stovetop ready with the iron skillet and show you that in just a second. Okay, we're at the stovetop. I have my cast iron griddle right here, or not griddle, but skillet right here. And I've turned up the temperature. I have like 2 tablespoons of butter and another tablespoon of oil in here. So that's all mixed up. It's getting pretty hot. So what I'm going to do is take my shrimp that I have in here. I'm going to shake off any extra flour and just set it inside this pan just like so as it starts to cook. Start to hear it kind of fry up, so to speak, and pan sear this. It should be a little bit hotter, but it's going to be fine. You know, you have to be careful of this shrimp because it'll want to cook fast. And most of these are all the same size. Some are a little bit smaller, but they're looking pretty good. And you don't need to necessarily overcrowd it. Like, I'm going to have some extra shrimp here, so I'm just going to put 2 more in here. I'm going to let these cook, and then I'll do a second batch. Cook this for about 3 minutes here. We're going to flip them over 2 to 3 minutes. As those fry up there just like that, and cook the other side, and then they're going to be done. Okay, it's been 2.5 to 3 minutes. The shrimp's looking good. It smells wonderful. There's butter and the seasoning there. Oh yes. So when it starts to look like that, it's time to turn these guys over to get the other side done. So I'll go ahead and start flipping these over. Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh, it smells so good. Flip the rest of these over and go on to the next batch. Okay, flip the shrimp. It's been another 2.5 to 3 minutes here. These are looking good. You know, they're starting to curl. They're definitely pink in there. So I'm going to start to bring them out and stick them in my plate here. I've got a paper towel to soak up a little bit of this buttery oil. But wow, does it smell good. That butter. Oh, wonderful. So I'm going to go ahead and place them in here. If you got a lot of shrimp you're going to do, you know, do it in batches just like I'm doing here. And you can stick it in the oven just to stay warm, and that'll be fine. So that is it. It's a real simple recipe. I could give one a little taste here, but I bet they're super hot. Let me just pull some more out. And tell you what, I know they're going to be good. Wow, those are going to be way too hot to stick in my mouth. Well, get the recipe at citygrilling.com and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd truly appreciate it. And try this recipe. It's going to be great. Okay, just real quick. I gotta try it. I can't stand it. Oh. Wow. Boy, that tastes great. You gotta get this recipe. Sign up to citygrilling.com. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. See ya.